What's that sound?
Welcome to What's That Sound, a game where I play a sound and you click on the video response you think is the sound. It'll tell you whether you're right or wrong. Go! Hey, I'm Pokemon Einstein and let me play the first sound for you. Let me play it again for you. Is it A, someone slapping their fingers together? B, a squirrel? C, a fly hitting a window over and over again? Or D, someone dropping lots of water onto the floor? Click on the video response that you think the right answer is now to see if you're right or wrong. What are you waiting for? Do it. Now! Go! No one's stopping you. Just do it! Get out of here!